We're going to move now on to another subject, and it's about visibility, actually. So we have a panel with, this is the first time we have this on Transform SCD. We have a panel with production experts. So the designers understand that, okay, the first idea, the inspiration is very important, but then someone has to materialize this idea into something tangible, into something that, you know, is good to see and touch and feel. And for that, there are a number of professionals, with high knowledge of professionals that can make this thing happen. I mean, you can convert a basic idea that is still unclear into something that is a commercial product, and it's beautiful. So it's my pleasure to be now today with three experts on denim production, technical aspects. So we have Mr. Muhammad Mazhar from NDL. Hi, Mazhar, how are you doing?
Hi, how are you, Miguel? Thank you.
Yeah, doing fine. Thanks for joining. Suat Ozdemir is the technical manager at Crescent, Bahuman. So Suat, good day to you.
Good day, thank you.
Okay, and then we have Michele Biancamano is the technical director of Diamond. So thank you very much all for being with us. And let's start with some discussion so the designers understand a little bit better what happens during the production of denim. Suat, let me start with you. First of all, is a very simple question, just a warm up. Is where have you seen in your experience, but other Michele and Mazhar can collaborate as well. Where have you seen the biggest changes over the years, comparing 20 years ago and today in the denim production industry?
First, what is I am saying in 2018, I read a word in a panel. It is saying denim is something that constantly evolving itself, but it's not changing. It does not change from the one season that takes in fashion. Means denim always evolves. Some things is stay same, some things is not, but evolved. Which changes? First, we can start with fibers. Fibers are changed. When you say denim, first there is only cotton, and stretch fabrics come, stretch fibers come, and it change suddenly. Then what happened? It's not enough, and man-made fibers come. Then we are talking to Cordura, Kevlar, the performance denim. But now, after sustainability concerns, now it's coming to natural fiber using, recycled fiber using, the other things. This is for fiber. In yarn technology change in the last 30 years is very much. I can go open and spinning change. Now you can arrange ring and opening in slab yarn. The other thing also for feeling, we are denim change to finer yarns instead of coarser yarns. And then what is changing? Weaving changing to shuttle looms, to shuttle looms to go to rapier looms. There is too much changing. And the main thing, the chemicals changing. Before denim dyed with natural indigo, then synthetic indigo people use. Now pre-reduced indigo we are used. Also we are adding some color palette, sulfur dyes, reactive dyes, indentron dyes, many options.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, sorry, Suat. Let me move on because we have a limited time and we have a list of topics that, you know, will be good to discuss.
Miguel, now you can see me?
I can see you well, Michele.
Oh, finally.
Good to see you.
Okay,
ciao.
sorry, ciao.
No problem, ciao. Michele, this is the question for you is, what is today for you the most important aspect in the production? What is the heavy weight, you know, that you have to support?
So, okay. First of all, let me tell thank you so much, Johan. I don't know if she's on is connected, is with us. I don't know.
She is with us, I promise you.
Okay.
You
Let
cannot
me
see her,
tell,
but she's here.
thank you much because she assists me in my phone. It's very nice, very kind person.
She's very good.
So, okay, what is the challenge? First of all, I think we are abused too much now of this term, okay, sustainability. I think everything now we use this term, we use this word, sustainable, okay. We are working on this. My factory, with support of our owner, Mr. Ali Abdullah, and all the family, we are moving too much in the sustainability. I think the big challenge today is this one. Most probably not only in the textile, I think the whole production sector are going to move in sustainability. Question is, denim production never was easy, okay, from day first. Maybe my colleague, they have my same age, they know very well the denim production, okay. Never was easy, and the new generation maybe don't know that in the starting we have to prepare indigo manually, we have to prepare indigo with the powder, and yes, you know, and the chemical process is too much unstable, and there was many variable, many problematic due to affinity between indigo and cotton. Okay, it's very problematic.
Cellulose. Michele, let me ask Mazhar on all the experience that they had over the years. Is there any particular aspect, Mazhar, that you feel closer to, or do you think is more exciting or more inspiring? What part of the denim long production line is more exciting for you?
Well, first of all, thank you very much for giving us this opportunity to join this panel discussion and talking directly to the students of denim who belong to Generation Z. And what I believe that they are quite knowledgeable people than our generation. They have more knowledge and curiosity to know the products very well. So really, thank you very much. So as far as your question is concerned, all the processes right from yarn spinning, yarn manufacturing, ball warping, dyeing, rebimming, sizing, weaving, finishing, all the processes are really, they have equal importance. But I would say that dyeing is the art of the denim, where we do indigo dyeing, and that makes it different from any other fabric. So that is the real core point of dyeing indigo denim process. But above all, I would say that here at Navina, we are continuously studying the lifestyle of Generation Z, who are very much knowledgeable and curious about the products, whatever they are going to buy. So we are continuously studying their way of picking the products, what kind of products they select. So we are developing the products according to their requirements. Like previously, there were no such requirements of comfort, durability, performance, moisture management, and this kind of thing. So I believe that research and development is the most important part, and it should come from the denim mills as well. Like previously, we were being dictated by the brand. They were giving us instructions, do this, do that. But nowadays, we have to bring the solutions to them, and that should be in accordance with the market requirements.
This is a very good point, Mazhar, because now the mills are, the innovation is no longer a passive element in the innovation that the brand dictate what they want. Brands are very happy to collaborate with responsible mills on new ideas, because as good technicians, you have good ideas. Let me move on now to the panel discussion. So you can talk and exchange opinions and everything. Let me ask you about what is the most we are talking about the modern industry. Challenging part today on denim is about quality, is sustainability, is the new technology, implementing new technologies, is the speed to market production. Is it everything? What do you think? What is the heaviest weight you need to support when producing denim? Any of you?
There are many challenges, and especially if you talk about this pandemic situation, it has really changed a lot. Especially that we are facing the logistic challenges as well, and at the same time, the order sizes are getting reduced, the lead times are getting reduced. But these are not the excuses. In fact, these are the challenges we have to face, and we have to find ways and means to be more agile. So I believe that agility is a big challenge at the moment to serve the customer needs on time with right quality.
Yeah, that's right. Michele, Suat, anything that you would like to add to Mazhar's comment?
Yes, but also in production side, the producing producing sustainable production is in the conventional machines and the technologies is very big challenge. Yes. I want to add this. Okay, there is some new things, new innovations, but they are not coming the common thing. We are mostly using regular conventional methods, but we try to consume less water, less sources, and to get the same results or acceptable results. This is also very big challenge for us.
Yes.
Because yes, sorry.
No problem, Suat. It's just to handle the time properly. Michele, if you want to add anything, or maybe I can, ask you the next question is the integration between innovation and production. So how can production be the center of the innovation?
Miguel, this I was talking before, then I not finished this, okay?
Okay,
because
no, go ahead.
Because the question, I was talking about this. We are moving about everything as a new technology, new product, sustainable innovation, everything of this. But in any case, we don't have to impact in the previous problem and the previous service, because the first question that customer ask are always delivery on time, right quality, constant of quality, constant of product. They, in any case, they ask our first requirement is ask for previous. They want good service, they want everything, plus they want something more. Low price, we already discussed and let's start. Now, what is the big challenge? Okay, the big challenge is we have to keep the same quality, same service, everything like previous, but we have to integrate new technology, less consumption, less impact in the environment. And plus, now, I think now Suat and Mazhar, they already know, we have a short discussion last time. Now we are on the middle about the cost, okay? Really, we are in the production part is in very bad situation. Where we are now, on one side, we have our customer, all the market, they continue asking to reducing price, due to competition, because the competition in the world now is too much, it's very high. Due to its cost, okay. So from one side, we have our customer that ask to reducing price. The other side, we have our supplier that they won't increase too much our product, okay. Everything we buy now, the raw material are increasing, the transport is 3 times more, everything. So the other side is asking to reducing, the other side we have to pay more. Imagine what is the situation now of denim production. Of course, this is I don't want to say now we don't have option. We are we are in trouble, but of course we are working on this. This is the challenge. If you ask me what is the challenge, this is the challenge to compromise this situation.
Yeah, Michele,
I think my colleague, I think I have the same opinion. I don't know. This is in my position. This is a very big challenge.
Yeah,
Yes.
I mean, it's the way it is for all fashion industry and for all industries in general. This is a time of confusion, I would say, on all these. Let me end the discussion with a positive view, okay? Talking about innovation and new things, where is denim, being more innovative compared to the previous time? Is this on dyes, chemicals, fibers, equipment? What do you think is, denim becoming a new industry with, big innovation? Where are the things that you would like to highlight?
I want to highlight the waterless dyeing and finishing technologies. I am expecting in future the conventional systems finalize their life, and some different technologies we start to use in denim production, like a spray dyeing, like a foam dyeing. Still some plants, they are trying to do this thing, but it's not become a common. But in future, I am sure also ozone will come and will become a standard. Now,
Mazhar, sorry, please.
No, okay.
Mazhar, what do you think? Where is the denim innovation? What is going to happen on denim? What is new? Going to be new?
Well, I had been working with my previous company, and there I was leading the research and development. So again, I would say that nowadays performance is more important. If we divide this product into two phases, like before millennium and after millennium. Before millennium, it was just a basic denim, but after millennium, it's now a performance-based product, which must be soft, which must be comfortable, which must have various properties like moisture management, which should be strong, durable, which should also we need to do less washing and wear it more. So these kind of properties, I would believe that are coming forth, and we have to adopt this kind of technologies. And so the overall sustainability is over there. From production point of view, from raw material point of view, and also the end user point of view, that we don't have to wash it more.
Yeah, that's right, Mazhar. Well, thanks very much. We have a couple of questions from the audience that we'd like you to answer. Otherwise, you can do that in written form. But Michele, there is a question here from Zia, and it says, the panel is discussing a lot of emerging problems in denim industry, but what are the solutions to these challenges? How can denim industry meet all these challenges, apart from saying that we need to focus on sustainability? It's a very complex question, Michele.
Yes, Miguel. Of course, challenges is high. Everyone try to work on this. Now, I don't want to promote, my factory or my thing, of course, because everyone work on this, everyone do his best to do this, But for example, we already developed one process we call zero water, where you can save 90% of water. As you know, the indigo process, due to what I told before, there is no affinity between denim and cotton. The process is very long, the process is very complicated, and after application, you have to washing because just you don't have a chemical reaction in indigo and cotton and finish the operation, So the consumption of water is very, very high, and we know very well. If we are able to finalize some process with zero consumption of water, of energy or something, is the big achievement, and at the moment it is our challenge. Unfortunately, the consumption of water for denim is very, very high. It's very high.
Yeah, it is. Quite high, I would say. Yes. Yeah. There are different figures, Michele, but is, yeah, it's any case is high, it is water, so it's always relevant.
Yes. That's why I think we're in no long time we are able, everyone, all the denim producers, we are able to save too much water. Honestly, we are working on this now with the new technology, some new product, and because now you know what we are doing also in our factory. We don't have to use only this term just as a business, just because we are proud to make this achievement. In our factory, we are going also working too much to educate also people. People have to have the education to the environment and save of the nature. We are working also on this because the operator don't have to do this just because the boss or some other one say not waste your water. We are going to give a good education to every worker. Save water, save energy, save light, switch off light in your office, everything you can save. So we are working also in this way.
No, that's perfect, Michele. It's something that we need to think every day, and education is a very important aspect. I agree with you that we educate people, and passing information is very, very important. I have one question from Salim for any of you, and it says, well, I believe sustainability should be a win-win situation for both manufacturer and customer, or customer to consumer. Who's more responsible to happen this win-win equilibrium? Okay, that's an important thing. So I understand that there's who's more responsible for improving the sustainability profile of denim, customer, brands, production. What do you think?
I think
Mazhar
everybody.
or Suat? Yeah, Suat,
Okay.
go ahead.
Sorry. Okay. I think everybody has equal responsibility. For, if the customer choose which is used in goods, which is used in organic cotton instead of the conventional cotton, this means 10 times less irrigation water consumption in the field. Also, brands are responsible to force the manufacturers to take the organic cotton instead of conventional cotton, for example. And everybody equally responsible. As Michele say, if we are buying this organic cotton, how is the price? And the customer willing to buy that products instead of the cheap, relatively cheapest one? Everybody try to do their best in production. This is our duty.
So it's a line of responsibilities. Everybody is responsible,
yes,
right?
For me, everybody.
Mazhar, I would like to end with one question is to how do you see the future of denim in Pakistan? You know, how do you briefly, how do you see it? What do you expect of Pakistan in the next years?
Well, I see a very bright future in Pakistan. And I must mention the name of Crescent Bahuman, the pioneer in denim manufacturing process, who started this complete vertically integrated process in Pakistan. And later on, everybody followed it. And now this industry has grown up, and really the industry is doing a wonderful job. And they are feeding the top leading brands of the world with a wonderful quality according to their requirements and needs. And I think this is really a big pride for Pakistani people.
That's very good, inshallah. So this is a very good thing. So gentlemen, many thanks for saving some time for us today on this call. Remember, you have been the first production managers that have been in a Transformer CD. So we appreciate the time and your comments, and yeah, looking forward to meeting you again live, if possible, in the future.
Sure.
So thanks all,
sure.
and thanks, and have a wonderful day. So now moving to production again. Thank you.
Thank you,
Miguel. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for good opportunity. Bye.
Thank you so much.